Yes, boys. So I just wanted to run through the EMA, and obviously some of you in the Discord asked me to show you how I'm using the EMA and how to set it up correctly, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to speak a little bit about the EMA and how it works, etc. So I want to make this one a little bit quick. I don't want to drag it out over a long period. I just want to show you so that you've got the knowledge and then you understand how to use it. So first of all, come to the indicators and you'll be searching for EMA 20, 50, 100, 200 by Dr. Sweets. Once you've got the EMA on, just double click the EMA, and you want to untick this top one. So the green, for me, you can change the colour. Mine's green, blue, and red. The green is the 20 EMA, the blue is the 100, and the red is the 200. Now, once you've got that, you're literally set up. So if the 200 EMA is less than the 100 EMA, which is less than the 20 EMA, then you're bullish. Now, if we flip this over, if the 20 EMA is less than the 100, which is less than the 200 EMA, then you're bearish. Obviously, I know that when you're in the market, obviously here, you'll be able to literally see, okay, we're downtrending, but sometimes it's not always as easy to see what's going on. So like here, for instance, you could be seeing bullish market structure form, but the EMA is still telling you that we are still bearish on the 5 minute. Let's see if there's any setups anywhere here anyway. Obviously, this is an in-trading session. So this one, for instance, did we get a BOS? We had a wick, so it wouldn't be valid for me, but we'll just use it as an example. This did still win, so you could use this as an LRV. Still at the top, enter on the 5 minute close, you would have hit a 1 to 2, I'm guessing, there, more than likely. But the EMA did say that we were still downtrending. This isn't valid for me. The BOS was just a wick. But nonetheless, this just gives you a better idea of where the market is actually moving. And let's be honest, the EMA was right. Yes, this was bullish, but we ended up continuing downwards. Probably be able to find another example somewhere. Another thing to note, when the EMA is crossed over, so it's not always going to be in order like we said previously, you could have the EMAs start to cross. So here, for instance, we had the 100, then the 200, then the 20, which is misaligned, so you just wouldn't trade. It's that simple. We don't really have direction in the market at this point. I think this did come from this consolidation, but nonetheless, we then flipped bullish, and I took this position on Friday, which won. And you could have honestly held this to a 1 to 4. I don't know if there was news actually. Yeah, red folder news. So you would have pulled out, but you would still hit it actually. Yeah, you'd have still hit a 1 to 4 on that, which is crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much the EMA. It's pretty straightforward. If you are new and you don't know who I am, I'm Ben. I trade liquidity supply and demand. If you want to join the Discord, the link will be down there, and I'll see you in there.